Hey everybody, Duck Number 8 Wooden Railway here, and today we have another package. Looks like there could be another Thomas Wooden Railway item in this, so without further ado, let's open the package and see what we have. There, I opened the top. Now let's let the thing fall out. Maybe I could open it. There, now let's let it fall out. Aha. Nothing else is in there. So, this, I guess, I can't really see what this is, so... Oh, I guess it can fall out through here. Aha! Here they fall out. Let's untape it and see what we got. Oh, it even looks like that's a character card. Maybe this comes with a character card too. Almost. I think I know what this is. Aha! It's Max and Monty, and with the character card. I'm not targeting character cards, but if I get one, I'll keep one. Here's Max. And here is Monty. And there's the character card. Yay! Max and Monty are here. They even have the dumpers on them. Max, Monty. These were the last two characters from the pack that I needed to get that they ever made for Thomas Wooden Railway. The only two pack characters that they never made for Thomas Wooden Railway are Ned and Buster. I wish they made one. Like, they could have easily made a Thomas Wooden Railway Buster because George is a steamroller, and if they created one that had red paint, it would look exactly like Buster. And then Ned looks kind of like Marion, so why not? They could have made a Ned for Thomas Wooden Railway, so that would have been cool. But anyways, here's Max and Monty, and I said, these are the characters that I needed to get. Well, Max for the New Friends for Thomas DVD review, because Max was the only one that appeared at the time. They didn't have Monty yet. Luckily, now that they're here, stay tuned for New Friends for Thomas. Max will be in it. Anyways, this is all I have to say, and thanks for watching.